Yeah, keep going.
Damn. He's ready to burn down his ball. He's going wide for sure. Like the sound effect?
Oh shit! Oh no!
He shoots flames too.
Oh, he shoots flames? Damn. And this guy is like on another level right here. Oh yeah. Oh, they actually put porn. Hey, they actually put porn. Oh shit. Hey, all I saw was an anus and I don't know what. What's cracking, everybody? It's your boy King Fresh. We out here
at King Fresh.
Yeah, how's it going, guys? It's King Fresh, Supercar Suspect, Mr. Beard. Yeah, follow this guy. He does artistic skills. Woo. What do you do to the shoes?
A lot of things. Customizing, bags, wallets, car holders, anything you want.
All kinds of shit, guys. We're doing an interval. All right, so we're out here, Beard Gangs. I know there's a subscriber that always comments, and his name is Long Beard. This is for you right here. Woo. Beard. Woo.
No beard, not yet.
It's growing, it's growing. Look, look, look. Oh! All right, guys, we're out here. We're getting. Everybody's coming at us. How does this look like? Zombie.
Zombie time.
Oh! Suspect, run! Whoa, 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 whoa!
1, 2, 3.
1, run, 6! What? Wow, we're in a different city then. We're not in OC today, guys, and it's packed. It's a good night tonight, guys. On our way to the second location, guys. We got 2 cops right there, and we have another 2 cops on the other side. But we're out of here, so it doesn't really matter. Beer gang, 47, 100,000 in Spanish.
Well, I know CN is 100.
1,500.
No, I'm not.
Austin, Texas represent.
Austin, Texas.
What's up?
This is the guy I was telling you
What's
about.
up? Hey. It's my boys. I just met him right now. We're trying to see what's up with all these
Part of the
cars.
YouTube gang.
Car meet. Yeah.
Suspect in the back, that means
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Tome that.
puro cáncer.
Tome that.
Yeah. Puro cáncer, suspect. That tongue, though, Chris. Show me that tongue, Chris.
Shit.
Huh?
Show me the tongue.
I was not on home, man.
What? Oh, my boy's feeling it tonight. He's doing too. Alright guys, so we're pulling up to the third location. There's people here on Jack's taking the orders. They're like, what's going on? We got another little subscriber right here.
Yeah.
When did you subscribe? How long ago? A month ago?
Yeah.
That's right. Hey, appreciate it, bro. That's right. Enjoy today, fool. Cops showed up. The swinger managed to get away, so we're good. All right, we're on our way to the 4th, 5th location. I don't even know what number we're at now. All right, guys. So the next location is by Speed Zone right here, guys. Check this out. For those of you that don't know what this is, it's basically a little track like mini cars and shit. There's a mini track. It's pretty lit, guys. Pretty lit. Oh, we're making our own lane. We got the little cars right there, guys. Like, beep, beep. Damn. VIP, damn. The meat is packed, fool. It is crowded today. Mr. Lambo King is here. Loving the rap, by the way, guys. they stole that. They stole that, and now I guess the Miata's gonna swing around it. Hey, what's up? No way. These. This is the first time I see them steal one of these. Yeah, the guy behind the train. I like it. All right, guys. Now we have people climbing. They're swinging around this shit, guys. Yeah, oh! It's 4th of July here, guys, today. As you can see. Chinga su madre.
What's a unicorn?
So that's basically a llama, because it's Fortnite. It says unicorn, but it's a llama, huh? It's a llama, huh?
Hell yeah.
What does it have inside? Does it have like guns and shit and ammo?
It says IE for the win.
Oh, IE for the win.
Has a no cop potion in that shit.
Oh, wow. Oh, Super Mario's back, but what happened to your hat? Under construction?
Under construction, put a donut on top.
You got a piñata there, a little piñata. Why is he so horny and hung? Why can't he just pass up? Here, the train's passing by, guys. You got my boy right here, just swinging there right now. He was swinging it right now. Oh! Holy shit! Oh, we got a Mustang right here in the wild. What do you guys think? You like it or no? Oh! Oh! Oh!
I get it on.
Dude, that shit was too real! Dude, he actually came for us! Oh shit! Dude! Oh! Run! Oh! I love coming to the Jack in the Box right here, guys, because I feel at home. Like, I love when they have the hot sauce right here. Like, oh my god, I fucking love that shit. It's like the best feeling in the world, guys. Just having all of these fucking hot sauces. Oh, I just told my boy's been there for 30 minutes and nobody's taking care of him. 30 minutes, huh? What happened to the service?
Hey, take my service. I'm hungry over here.
How's the proper way to eat this, my boy?
With fries, my boy.
There you go. We gotta put the fries, huh? What did you get?
Some tacos?
Some tacos? Yeah. Oh, you ready, huh? Yeah. What did you get? Oh, that looks like a dirty butthole.